Hey there, welcome back. So today we will get started with strings. In order to do this, I have already added this class app and we also have the main method. So let's get started. First of all, we will create a variable by the name of x and we will initialize this with some text, and the text would be, for example, study. Sounds good. Let me copy this line of code and paste it once again. This time we will give the variable name as maybe y, and we will initialize this with easy. So we have two variables, study and easy. All right, so now we will add in yet another string, and this would be like z, and we will initialize this variable as x plus y. All right, so this is good. Now moving forward, we will simply display the value of z. So let's check what's inside z. As expected, inside z it should be study easy, right? Let me show you. Here is the text, which is cool, right? Now moving forward, we will add in a if statement. So I will type an if z equal to study easy. All right, so in fact the content of z is study easy, so the true part should be executed. So in the true part, we will type in text is study easy. Pretty cool. Let us also add in the else part. Let me copy this and paste it in the else part, and we will type in text is not study easy. Pretty simple, right? And now if I execute, then in the first line the value of z is study easy, which is cool, but in the second line the if condition is saying text is not study easy, right? So there is inconsistency, right? And the reason is pretty simple. When we deal with string, there might be issues when we make use of this plus operator or equal to operator. So there could be some inconsistency and issues. So the best solution for this issue is making use of dot equals method. And for every string object, we have a dot equals method available. So I will type in z dot equals, and this will be with us, and we will pass in the string with which we need to compare. So this is study easy, and now if I execute the program, the output is text is study easy. So this is why we always make use of dot equals operator in day-to-day usage in programming world. So this is cool. Apart from that, dealing with a string, there are multiple things. For example, we would like to replace some text from the string, or we need to concatenate a string, or we need to find the index of the string. Java has indeed provided us all these use cases for us, and there are like ton of methods which is in front of us, which we can use in order to deal with strings. So this is a list which is also available to you, and the list is also available on internet on oracle.com. And in fact, for example, we wish to concatenate two strings. So in here we have the concatenate method, and using this concatenate method is a better practice than using the plus operator. So for example, how to concatenate a string, let me show you. I can type in x dot concat, and then I can concatenate with y, and this will return a concatenated string to z, if I am not mistaken. Let me show you. Here is the output. So this is how we can concatenate, which is again a good practice. Likewise, we can like do ton and ton of stuff using these methods, and these methods is something you need to check how you can use them in your program. For example, we can replace some text. So let me show you. Replace all, replace character old char and character new char. So if we try to check this method, which returns a new string resulting from replacing all occurrences of the old character in the string with a new character. So let me show you how this will work. In fact, I will type in z equals z dot replace, and here is the method. Old character is, for example, easy, and we will replace this with maybe hard, and we will make use of the semicolon. All right, and now if I execute the program, then the text is converted from study easy to study hard, and the text is definitely not easy. So this is how we can like deal with these string methods. There is ton and ton of methods which are there, and you can like do whatever you want to do with a string with these methods. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a nice day.